Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome. My name is Danade Oboye from MoneyBiz, and in today's video I'm going to show you a new website I just found online. And this new website, it is legit, it is real, and it is here in Nigeria. It has been around for a while now, and they give you survey that cover all of Africa. So literally you make money by taking survey, and apart from taking survey, there are other things you can do to make money online on this platform. I'm going to show you everything in full detail. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are ready to make money online, so stay with me to the end of this video. Do not skip any part, and it's very important you take every steps I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get into it. Now I'm in my dashboard. Presently, when you see my dashboard, you can see that my reward wallet is 117 naira 33 kobo. Now I actually get this money free without doing anything. Okay, I was doing something actually without paying any money. I actually took only survey. See you gap. I only took survey, like simple survey. Within 2 minutes, I'm done with my survey, and they give me points. And this point is converted back into naira for me, and I can use this money. I can either withdraw this money or I use to buy airtime. So I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money on this platform, or how you can get airtime. I will show you everything, how you can buy airtime and bill, how you can shop, how you can explore and do more. So you got, I will show you everything in full details in this video. Presently I'm in my dashboard there. Let me just log out and show you how you can get started. So presently I'm just going to log out here. I'm going to log out. So for you to get started, you're going to click on the link below. So when you click on the link below, the first link you see, I'm going to show you the link below. So you click on the link below, you will be brought to this place here where you can sign up. So literally all you have to do, click on the link below, you will be brought here, and you just put in your email, your username, your phone number, and the referral code could have appeared for you automatically. So please, it's important you do not delete the referral code. So don't leave it, read the referral code where it is, and just click on next. So when you click on next, it will actually confirm your email, and it will take you to every other step. It's a very simple step and a very basic step. So actually I could have created this another account for you, but it is against the rule. I should not have more than one account. Even though that I just create everything for you in full detail to show you everything that is being created. But I can give you the full assurance that it is very easy. It is extremely easy. So just do the steps that they'll take you to follow the steps, and you take, so automatically they'll give you survey, like 3 survey you can take, so you can have credit, so you can have money in your wallet which you can use to buy credit, or you can accumulate it as time goes. I will show you how you can begin to make more credit, make more money, and you can withdraw it. So I'm just going to log in now and show you everything how this is being done. So I'm going to log in with my Google. Of course you can either create an account with your Google or any other thing you got. So I'm just logging with my own Google here. I've actually created my account using my own Google. So my Google, one of my Google mail. So you just go to my account, just stuff like that. It makes things easier. So make sure you click on the link below and you sign up. So make sure you click on the link below, sign up. So when you sign up, you'll be brought to the dashboard here. So maybe you have the dashboard here. You'll be opportune to take survey. So just come and click on this quick action. Take survey. Alright, so and the other things you must do, I'm going to show you later. Other things you must do. So when you click on take survey, there will be available survey for you. Presently I've taken audio survey that's available for me. So you see up to like 3 or 4 survey available. Very simple survey. Just ask it on something that is very simple. So just take the survey. As you're taking the survey, you'll be getting points. See you got, you'll be getting points, you'll be getting points, you'll be getting points. The other things you can do to get points on this platform, for example, you can when you pay for bills, like when you buy airtime or you pay for bills. For example, when you buy airtime, you can earn up to 10,000 points. Now this 10,000 points is what you can convert to money, and you can withdraw. So I will show you how you can actually withdraw it, how you can pay. For example, if you want to buy airtime now, just instead of you just getting airtime from bank and there's no reward given to you whatsoever, just fund this your wallet. You come on this top up wallet, you fund the wallet. So you got, for example, I can just put any amount. Let's say I want to fund from my wallet with 5,000 naira. I'll just click on next. Yes, so it's just going to load and go to where I can actually put in my details and fund my wallet. So you just fund your wallet. There from your wallet you can begin to recharge yourself. You can begin to do many other things. Now one thing about you funding your wallet is that in as much you buy airtime from your wallet, they will give you points. So they're giving you points. In as much you buy data from your wallet, you get points. Now this point you can convert it to money. So let's say for example you do not even want to fund your wallet, so you don't want to fund your wallet with anything. So I'm going to show you how you can actually make money without necessarily funding your wallet. So let me just go back here. Let me just press back and see. Okay, it's just making me to be in activity. Okay, all right. So I'm back to my dashboard here. So that's how you can actually fund your wallet if you want to, but it's not actually fund your wallet, because the other way you can make money without funding your wallet. So I want advise you to fund your wallet. Of course, you can fund your wallet if you want to. It's up to you. But in this video, I will show you how you can begin to make money without funding your wallet. So, and one of the way you can make money is to take survey. As I've showed you earlier, you take survey, and when you so there'll be available survey for you, just take the survey, just start and take survey and submit, and you get your point. And that way you can actually make money apart from taking survey is to Airtime and bill, which I've shown you earlier. So when you click on Airtime and bill, you can actually do mobile top up, data recharge, electric bill, cable bill, lottery and bet, which is coming up soon. For example, to do mobile top up. Mobile top up means that you want to recharge your phone, so you have to get it from your Naira wallet. So you have to top up your wallet first and do it. So for example, you see that I'll be getting. Let's say for example, I want to recharge my phone. Okay, let me just put in my number here. Let's say for example, I want to recharge my phone with. Let's just say I want to recharge it with 500 Naira. You see, I'm going to get 375 points. So you gap. So if I want to with 5,000 Naira, I'm going to get like 3,750 points. So it depends on the amount. So this will be just recharging from bank, and you're not getting any reward. You can actually fund your wallet here if you want to, and you get money. And that way you can actually buy airtime is to from your recharge, from your reward wallet here. So for example, I can just put in, let's say for my recharge wallet I have 117, I can just put 100 Naira there and just proceed, and I will get the money. You first pick select the network here, and select the mobile network. This is MTN. Then put your phone number, put the amount, and click on proceed. Then automatically you get it on your phone. So now another way you can actually get rewarded it is through shopping. Presently shopping is not available here. It's coming soon, so you can actually get through shopping. Another way you can actually get more points and you can get more money on this platform is to let me go back to home. Let me just show you from home. Is to explore. So this explore, it is amazing. Although this explore is just going to go, it literally mean like news and other things like posts, although also they're not currently available now, but they'll be available in the nearest future, like news platform. So they're not available now, available in the nearest future. Now the easiest way you can make money, you can get more points, is to refer friends. So what I say is you refer friends. So when you refer anybody, per referral you get 500 points. So this means that when you click on the link below and you join this platform, I'm going to get 500 points. So for you to get 500 points, tell your friends and family too. Tell them that okay, that you click on the link below, and when they register and verify their account, also you yourself you get 500 points. Whereby they themselves to get access to take survey. So when you click on the link below and you register, I'm going to have 500 points. While you yourself you get access to take survey. So you grab. So that survey is going to be able to make you to get your own points back. Literally, that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. So just click on the link below, register. Then you become one of my referrals. Automatically you have the opportunity to take survey. So you gap. Now literally, let's say for example you have gotten everything you want to get, you have referred friends, and now your wallet is, let's say your wallet is just up to like 5,000 Naira. Now to withdraw, you just click on this claim. So you click on claim, they will ask you how do you want to claim. Is it airtime, is it cash, or gift card? Now airtime is available for everybody, but this cash is only available when you come to silver. So I'll show you how you can get to silver. So literally silver means you should have up to like 3,000 points, or up to like 3,000 to I think like 90,000 points, and you should have up to five referral. So this means that you should have tangible amount of money in your wallet, which you can now redeem to any bank of your choice. So literally, if I click on it, go tell me that I'm not allowed because I'm not yet a silver member. Now to upgrade to silver member, it is free also. Just have to have up to like 5 referrals and have up to like, so definitely if you have 5 referrals, your points could have increased to up to like 3,000 points. So you gap. So literally that's how it's going to be 3,000 or 30,000 points. So it's very easy for you, extremely easy. It's not something that you have to struggle to achieve. Something that you can easily achieve. So now that's how you can do that. So through airtime. So let me just say for example, I want to claim my point through airtime. I just click on airtime here. So literally the way I showed that time, you click on recharge wallet, then you click the airtime, then put in your the phone number, put the amount and click on proceed. Automatically you get your money. That is how it's very easy. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't want you to just watch this video and just look away. It's important you take action now. I don't tell people on this platform that opportunities will last for just a little period of time. You never can tell them they may stop doing this thing in a little period of time. So it is now that they're still doing that, it's still active. I can assure you that for the next few moments it's going to be active. It is now time that you take action immediately. Take action, take survey. Now this survey, it is real. It's not like other type of survey whereby you have to hide your IP address. You don't need to hide your IP address. It's for Nigerians, for Africans. So start making money. come to this platform, take survey, or recharge your phone, do other things, get data on this platform, get points, withdraw your points, use your points to buy cash. Now, another thing you have to do is actually to verify your account. So you just come up here where your name is written, you click on view progress. So like, let me go back again. So you click on this view progress here. When you click on view progress, you see where they'll put your name. So when you take survey, automatically when you are taking some of the survey, you become a bronze member, because you automatically become a bronze member by taking those surveys. So you just click on, you see that your own bronze member here, you see unverify. So you click on this, you click on unverify, and you verify your own. So mine is already verified. So you got now what I was telling you earlier, I'm in bronze here. For you to become a silver, you must have to up to 9,000 or 30,000 points. So you got, and your referral should be 5 referrals. So that from that way you can become a silver member. When you're a silver member, you can now withdraw with cash. It is very simple. They will not ask you for any money to upgrade. So that's how you can begin to make money online, ladies and gentlemen. So it's important you take action immediately, take the survey and start making money online. So I look forward to read of your testimony. So immediately I'm opportune to transfer. I'm going to do a live video of my live transfer using this platform. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and take action immediately. Click on the link below, register, verify your account, and take action. Remember that everything is free and you can earn up to $10,000. Another way you can earn money is that literally every week they appoint somebody randomly to earn 10K. So you may be lucky to be among the persons they may appoint any week to earn extra 10K. So it is very, very important you take action now. So ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.